How to deposit funds to your bank card using your wallet in the PAYEER system. If you are an iPhone owner, go to the App Store, find the PAYEER application in the App Store, download it, push log in. You have to enter your account data. If not, you have to set it up. You tick the box I agree. This system is offering us to enter the account number, your password, and the code word. You can copy it for yourself and you can change it, and you have to set the data for the password and for the code word that you want. Then you push confirm, then you set up a PIN code which is familiar to you. You can put it down for you somewhere, and you have to confirm. You may use a Touch ID functionality, or you can skip it. So the PAYEER wallet is now ready. That registration takes a couple of minutes maximum. If you need to refill your balance in US dollars, you are choosing this way. Push deposit funds, and you can just select the way of payment. If you're having a Visa card, you enter the amount, for instance $100. You just calculate the fee, which is about 6%. Then you push continue, confirming that it's all fine. And then you have to enter your bank card information. Please note that your card has to be confirmed. If you're using it for the first time, you need to upload your passport photo and your bank photo following payment. So once you have pushed the button pay, the system will provide a special form for you to upload your card and your passport. Then the card will be connected to the system, and next time when you have to fill the balance, you don't have to upload this information once again. Once you have deposited funds to your balance, you need to transfer funds to the United Financial Group wallet in PAYEER. To do so, you push transfer. You choose the payment type, like US dollars, and you enter the amount in dollars. Please note that the fee here is only 0.5%. It's ready, and the total amount is $100.50, and then you push continue. The system is not allowing it to be done for me because I don't have funds on my wallet.